In this video I'm going to show you how to crop a video on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first hit on that plus sign to be able to add there a video. You can use your camera to take a video or you can upload it from your gallery. Just hit on upload and select some video, and after that hit next. Now when your video is here, you can crop it. For that just hit on adjust clips icon right there. And now here on that timeline you can crop that video. First you can zoom out for a bit to see the first video row, and now tap on that video row, and by dragging the ends of the video you can adjust and change the size of that video. Now it's 6.8 seconds, here you see, and now you can make it up to 4 seconds and then hit save, and now that video will be just 4 seconds. Now you know how to crop video on TikTok. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.